Hi there! Ever wondered how mixing colors works? I'm Edelmay Tapar, and today we're diving into a fun project with Arduino and solve the problem 2 of the lab activity 2. So here's the problem. The colors red, blue, and yellow are known as the primary colors because they cannot be made by mixing other colors. When you mix two primary colors, you get a secondary color. Example, when you mix red and yellow, you'll get orange. When you mix yellow and blue, you'll get green. And when you mix blue and red, you'll get violet. Write a sketch that prompts the user to enter the names of two primary colors to mix. If the user enters anything other than red, blue, or yellow, the program should display an error message. Otherwise, the program should display the name of the secondary color that results by mixing two primary colors. Alright, so here's the deal. We've got red, yellow, and blue are trusty primary colors. When you mix them together, you'll get a new color, a secondary color. So our job is to write a program using Arduino to pick two primary colors, does some mixing magic, and then shows you what secondary color you've created. So let's get creative with colors. To make this done, gagamit ako ng Tinkercad. So let me just open it. Kung hindi kayo familiar sa Tinkercad, meron kaming video tutorial neto. I-link na lang below. So ito, click nyo lang yung create circuits. Lalabas na yung workspace niya. So search nyo lang Arduino. Click nyo na Arduino, then click nyo dito sa workspace nyo. So, para naman sa coding, click nyo tong code, tapos block, click nyo yung text, then continue. Ayan, ito yung default niya. Dito tayo magko-code. Ito, hindi natin to kailangan. Purahin natin. So, start na tayo. So, ayan. Start natin yung stimulation. Ayan, mag-open yung Arduino. Tingnan natin sa serial monitor. Ayan, yun agad yung tinanong ito dito sa first part natin. Ito, enter the first primary color to mix. Ito yung tanong niya. Try natin red. Ayan. So, ito naman na ulit. Tatanong naman niya yung second primary. Try natin yellow. Red and yellow, dapat may orange na mix. Set natin. Ayan. Mixing red and yellow gives orange. Try naman natin ng yellow. Then second is blue. Dapat meron siyang green na mixture. Ayan. Mixing blue and yellow gives green. Next, try natin ang red and blue. Purple. Try naman natin may error. Try natin ng pink. Wala siya dito. Nung meron lang, red, blue, and yellow. So, dapat mag-error siya. So, pink and white. Ayan, nag-error siya. Please enter only red, blue, or yellow. Yung nilagay natin dito. Ayan. Kapag wala dito, ito yung ipiprint niya. Then, babalik siya ulit dito. So, try naman natin white and blue. Yan, error pa rin. Kasi dapat red, blue, and yellow lang. Mag-error siya kapag may ibang color na hindi kasama dito sa primary. So, I guess that's a wrap. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep those colors shining bright.